What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore. Remember once more.
Hadian ka jingtwat ka bajur ki pulit jong ka East Guwahati Police District kila yo ban kemno ya sanut ki beriu hakabaya day ka jingjia Shah luti kabala jia hak arpasal trik nailar ha 13th mile tamuli kuchi hakabala ingot na ki basha kno don kti kidai nakathai Nongpoh Ribhoi District ka jingyo kem ya gini ki beriu kalawan dong hadian ka jingkhan ra hakapor menmiet da ka jingatri lang bat ki pulit Special Operations Group Sunapur Police Station bajor about outpost kata kat kum ka jingyo lum jingtip nakathain bernihat Nongpoh bat 12 mile. Kini ke belah syak kem kini ke belah tip kerteng kum umak spil ke marak na Raja Bagan Nongpoh bijoy thank you saupesan na paham siem Nongpoh tronet sangma laiphuai na Raja Bagan Nongpoh Nur Muhammad bajukot sin Ali laipun riu na patali kuchi bar peta bat uhilbat sangma laiphos namerta na tandu Sunapur. Ki pulit kila yo ruban kurup ya kawai ka suloi SBL ka white dagger ka bajrong iway point sanpun artali ki tari ki banem ka mask artali ki mobile bayo tu ki jingdeng siar ka pisa arjar tingka kenthop ya ka kali ready go ka badan ya number ML Shipobi nyopra sawar bar ka tata ti go ML Shipobi hinriu iway lai ka jing tokit persya ya kini beriu kalaya syakman nang banlap din shushu yaki kampun trim jongki.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.